The Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is a powerhouse smartphone that redefines what's possible in the mid-range segment, packing premium features that rival even flagship devices. At the heart of the phone is a stunning 144Hz Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, delivering buttery-smooth scrolling, crisp visuals, and deep, vibrant colors, perfect for gaming, video streaming, and everyday use. Under the hood, it's powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 processor, offering lightning-fast performance, efficient multitasking, and next-gen AI capabilities that enhance everything from photography to battery life. One of the standout features of the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is its massive 8,400 mAh battery, which offers extended usage time even for power users. Whether you're gaming for hours or watching content on the go, you won't need to worry about running out of juice. And when you do need to recharge, the 240W ultra-fast charging support ensures that your phone goes from 0 to 100% in mere minutes, redefining convenience and speed in mobile charging. Storage and memory are another area where this device shines. With a jaw-dropping 32GB of RAM and up to 2TB of internal storage, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus handles even the most demanding apps, games, and file storage with ease. You'll never have to worry about running out of space or experiencing lag, no matter how many tasks you throw at it. Photography enthusiasts will be thrilled with the revolutionary 300MP main camera, which brings unprecedented detail and clarity to mobile photography. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or low-light scenes, this camera system is designed to deliver professional-grade results that push the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. All in all, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is not just another phone. It's a statement device that combines futuristic specs with refined design, aiming to offer a complete flagship experience at a fraction of the price.